Welcome back to another K-Core Fort Myers online tour. Today I'm going to show you this new listing. It's over 1,400 square feet, located in the Northeast Cape Coral. Okay, let me go around so you can see the whole house all the way around. It's a beautiful day today. Temperature is like 82. Check out this backyard. Since it's in the Northeast, you're here on well water. So that was your pump there, and now this is your salt tank and your purification system. AC. The hookup. I don't know if the dishes, you could hook it up to it, but most likely you can. Okay, it has a double car garage. Okay, let's go take a look inside. Remember, if you would like to know the price of this property and full report, just go on the link in the description and it'll take you directly to its own web page where it has all the information. So that way you can stay up to date on any changes. Okay, we're coming in. Check it out. Has nice high ceilings. Something nice that this house has, it has very high ceilings, so it makes it look a lot bigger. And it's a very bright house. Let me take my shoes off because they just cleaned the carpet. Okay. So come over here, has a pretty good sized kitchen. Check it out. Over here you have your pantry. Has a Samsung refrigerator. And a lot of cabinet space. And over here, sorry about the lighting, it has your laundry and a closet there. Okay, let me turn around over here so you can see it from this side. See? It's a nice layout. As you can see, it also has those garden shelves on the top ceiling over there. So you can put a nice decorator. And it also has a plug for if you want to put something with lighting up there. Okay. And the nice thing about the layout is, like, for instance, you're here in the kitchen and you get access to the living room and the dining room over here. So, you know, if you have kids or you have guests, you could keep an eye on them all the time. Okay, now from here we're gonna go to the master bedroom that is located over here. Sorry, it's a little dark. Okay, there's no light on the top, so that's why it's kind of dark. And it's very bright outside, so when the light comes in, it makes it look like darker. Okay, I'm gonna move around the room so you can look at the size of the room. Turn on the slide over here. Okay, check it out. Visualize the sides. Okay, over there, it's your master bathroom. I'll get that in a second. Let me show you first. Let me show you this humongous closet here. Check it out. So walk in, really good size. And we're gonna go over to the master bath. You got your tub and shower. Okay, and behind this door there's also another small closet. Okay, let's keep going. Okay, let's take another look at this humongous room. Those are the shelves, the garden shelf that I told you about up there. And it does have a plug if you want to put something up there with a light. You can. As long as you use today's technology, you can use Wi-Fi or Bluetooth to turn it on and off. Okay, here we go. And back here, you got your slider. Okay, with a view to the yard. Okay, we'll keep going. Let's go to the second bedroom over here. It's a 3 bedrooms, 2 bath. Forgot to say that at the beginning. Okay. You should walk around so you can see. There's a closet there. Okay, we keep going. It has a lot of closets here. You have another small closet. Oh. And we move over here to this, to the bathroom. Okay, so it also has a tub and a shower. So both bathrooms have tubs and showers. Okay. And then we come back over here to the rear room. It's a little bigger than the one on the front. Stand over here so you can visualize it. Okay. Okay. So like I said, if you would like to know more information about this property, just go in the description below. And I'll have a link that takes you directly to the webpage of this house. Okay. Okay. I want to thank you for watching the video, and remember, please subscribe if you would like to see more homes. Right now I'm working on a lot of new things. I have my tools. If you go and click up here, you can see the tool video that I did showing you how to search Florida homes in Florida, and also on how to see the price of the property you currently own outside Florida or in Florida if you're planning to relocate to Florida. So that website is very helpful in a sense that will give you an idea of the conditions of the market where you're located, and also it will give you an estimate of the value of your property if you're thinking to relocating. It's a pretty nice tool. So I'm going to put it up here. Click up here where it says website, and you go directly to the video. Well, I hope you enjoy this tour, and I'll see you on the next one.